So do a review on this Drillmaster grinder. Got this for about $10. Actually very happy with it. Got more than $10 use out of it. Has a handhold so you can hold it steady. A lot of times I use it freehand, and it works perfectly fine that way. As long as you know how to control it, you can do that. But if you don't know how to control it, don't do that. It has a pin that you push in, and that stops this from turning. So you can take the blade on and off. So that works fairly well. It uses a very strange way to take this on and off, although in the industry it might be standard. It has a 4-prong tool that you use to turn this piece off, and that's what holds the blade on. To me, that's a drawback because it's a specialized tool. I've got to keep track of that. And no matter how many times I use it and put it back where I think I should put it, seems like that where I think I should put it changes because half the time I can't find it. And this is one of those times. The on-off switch is a little weird. You press it. If you press it a little bit like that, it kicks on. And that's a safety feature in that if you push it on and hold it there, if your hand comes off of it and you drop it, it will power off. But it also has a lock, so if you push it all the way, it locks. And it's fairly easy to disengage. You just press on the back of it. It's almost like a paddle switch. Okay, if you lock that on and drop it, the odds of it clicking itself off are maybe slim to none. You will probably be looking at a grinder running wild. So you probably be careful with that. I don't consider that a drawback. If you know how it works and you use it that way, then it's a safe tool. So to me, that's perfectly acceptable. It has a lock if I want to lock it, but most of the time I don't want to do that. So this is the pin you push in that locks the blade so that you can take it on and off. There we go. It has this shield that you can adjust. You can move it to the side to move it around. It has a little screw that you adjust to hold it tight, and you can turn it around. I usually leave it in this position. I haven't found a valid reason to move that. These grinder wheels are from Harbor Freight. I think you get 10 of them for about $5. I've ran through 4 of these. This is the 5th one, and the grinder is still doing great. To me, that's a sign that it's going to hold up, because if I can burn up 4 of those discs, that's a lot of use, and it's still doing fine. So I thought I'd demonstrate it, grinding off the top of this nut. These are bed frames, and they're nice angle iron, not the strongest angle iron, but strong. And I use them for various things, so I want to take that off so I can get the angle iron loose. So I'll give you a demonstration. Always lay a grinder down, grinding wheel up. That's whether you leave it on or not, it's irrelevant. Sometimes you'll set it down without letting it spin down, and if you set it down grinding wheel first, that's bad. Since this is a demonstration, I'm not putting a lot of force on that, but normally I bear down until the motor slows down a little bit. I want to get as much force in there as possible. The grinder as it's set up now is left-handed. I use the switch with my left hand and hold it with my right. If you prefer otherwise, this handle comes off and screws it on the other side. So now I control it with my right hand, hold it with my left. I'm really just playing around with this. That's not anchored. I just wanted to do a quick demonstration of how it actually works. The wheels seem to hold up okay. They're meant to be disposable. You use them up. The harder you use them and the more you use them, the faster they'll burn up. The grinder itself, I think, is pretty good. Like I said, I've ran 4 wheels through it. Haven't had any issues. So I'm going to recommend that you buy this for $10. If you use it a year, to me that's worth that price. Drill Master grinder costs $9.99 on sale. Works perfectly for my use. I have no reservation recommending that you buy this. I have no problems with it. I have no negative comments about it. Just works like it should. If you like the videos, please like the videos. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.